Our top 5 Best Sublimation Paper. 1 Number Product. Sublimation Paper for Inkjet Printer. Some sublimation papers make your beautifully designed products look rushed and scuffed up. This sublimation paper, on the other hand, is good enough to handle any design and ink you give it. If you are like most people and hate having to wait several hours just to have your sublimation ink thoroughly dry, then this sublimation paper will make your life less stressful. Remarkable results for high-quality polyester, and any material with a cotton content. Don't waste your time with cheap sublimation papers that ruin your designs. This paper can handle any inkjet printer with sublimation ink. So, don't worry about compatibility. You get stunning results since it can handle just about any inkjet printer. Imagine wasting time because your sublimation paper couldn't handle your ink. Now it just looks half-hearted. With this sublimation, you can sleep well at night knowing it doesn't cause any fracture to your designs. 2 Number Product. Printer's Jack Sublimation Paper. Getting a sublimation paper for mugs is difficult since some of them do a terrible job. They look unfinished, rushed, and make you waste time and money. This sublimation paper is the ideal tool for your sublimation mugs. This inkjet sublimation paper is incredibly easy to use, even if you have no prior experience. It's easy to apply and design from the comfort of your computer to your printer. Nonetheless, we recommend reading the instructions beforehand. Nobody likes hard-to-see colors. People love exciting colors. It's easier to get someone's attention when your designs spark rainbows and happiness. Hate getting spiritless results with your sublimation paper? With this sublimation paper, you have over 98% transfer rate, so no more late nights trying to get the right result. 3 Number Product. Sublimation Heat Transfer Paper. Would you like to take on more projects, but you simply can't? You either too much time, and your current tools don't help either. If so, you will be amazed by how efficient this sublimation paper is. Often, people judge a book by its cover and rely on the face value. So, you must get a sublimation paper that can bring your ideas to life in a colorful way. Save as much time as possible with this sublimation paper. You simply print whatever design you want on it, then let it dry thoroughly for a few seconds. Other sublimation papers take several minutes before you can do anything with it. You get a whopping 150 sheets per pack at such a cheap price. So, you can print as many things as you want before you even need to get a new set of sublimation papers. 4 Number Product. DyeMaster 8.5 by 11 inches Sublimation Paper. Do you need your sublimation paper to be all around because you build different things? We got you covered. This sublimation paper can be used for countless productions. This sublimation paper is the most advanced sublimation paper on the market as of now. Its performance is just out of this world. You get outstanding results in just a matter of seconds. When you get anything from DyeMaster, you know you're getting high-quality products. Waiting for your sublimation paper to thoroughly dry just takes way too much. It's annoying after a while. But now you don't need to waste any more time. With this paper, all you have to do is wait 3 seconds, and you are good to go. 5 Number Product. Seogol Sublimation Paper 100 Sheet. This fantastic sublimation paper provides an over 98% success rate when it comes to the transfer rate. So, you know you're getting a top-rated product just from that number alone. Do you need to build and work on many things? But you can't seem to find a sublimation paper that meets your expectations? Then no need to look around anymore. This is the perfect sublimation paper for mugs and more things you need to work on. Since you can use it for numerous purposes, you can let your imagination go wild. create as many different designs as you want and print them on this sublimation paper. Printing has never been made this easy before. You simply need to press the mirror printing button, print on the white side, and then set the temperature as well as the time. Thanks for watching this video.